Do you often complain that you don't have a partner to practice English every single day? I used to complain a lot. When I started learning English, I had everything I needed. But when I started speaking English, I faced a major problem, which was a speaking partner. So, to get a speaking partner, every morning I would send messages to different people and I would wait for them to be free so that I could practice English every day. Because when it comes to learning English, you have to speak it every single day. Else, you are just reading a book about swimming without getting into water. So, in Kolkata, I live in Kolkata. Here, most of the people don't speak English in their everyday lives. This is my experience. Okay. So, it was a very big problem for me to get a partner to practice English. Okay. So, right now, thanks to technology, thanks to ChatGPT, this is not a big problem anymore. Now we can practice English every day and for free. Yes, I know most of you already know about ChatGPT, but I'm making this video for those people who still don't know about ChatGPT. And I always share that I share everything on my channel based on my experience. I have some students, and when I shared about ChatGPT with them, said, "Ma'am, we really did not know about this feature." So I thought of making a video about ChatGPT. So if you really want to use ChatGPT, first of all, I'm giving you a brief introduction about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool. Okay, means like Google. Earlier used to use Google to know the word meaning and to know the pronunciation. So you can imagine. So if you really want to use it, you need to download it. To download ChatGPT, you have to go to Play Store. Okay, so download it. After downloading, it looks like this. After downloading, it looks like this. Okay, this is the icon of ChatGPT, and when you open ChatGPT, you can see this kind of interface. This is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, so there are two options. One is mic option and another one is voice conversation option. To practice English means if you want to talk with ChatGPT, you have to press the second option. This is the blue. This blue icon you are going to press. So I am pressing it. Okay. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey, great to have you here. What's on your mind today?
I want to practice English with you.
Of course, I'd love to help you practice. Do you have a particular topic in mind, or do you just want to have a casual conversation?
Uh,
Just
okay.
let me know if you need any specific topics or practice exercises, and I'll keep it nice and clear.
Okay, I want to practice about my daily routine, and at first you listen to me, okay, and after I finish speaking, tell me if I make any grammar mistakes, and if you think that I could use any better word or expressions, okay, that you also tell me as well, okay.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'll listen carefully to your routine, and once you're done, I'll give you some feedback on any grammar or vocabulary.
Okay, by the way, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I'm
Okay.
ready whenever you are. Just go ahead and start talking about your daily routine, and I'll pay close attention.
Whenever you are talking to ChatGPT, ask this question. That time you feel that you are talking to a real person. Okay, right now I'm recording and I do it every day. Whenever I start having conversation, I ask it that how are you? How are you doing today? Okay, to get the feeling that I'm also talking to a person. Because if you think that you are talking to an AI, you may not give your 100%. Okay, so that's why ask this question that we generally ask when we are talking to a real people, real person. Okay, so thank you.
I see.
I will Talk to you later.
Of course, no problem.
Okay, so I use ChatGPT to practice English every single day. For example, if I want to talk about my daily routine or about my goals or about what I did yesterday, and I use it to practice. Okay, so this is the best ways to practice English every single day. It will not judge you, it will not criticize you, but it will definitely correct everything that mistakes you make. Okay, so it will also correct you very politely and motivate you. It will say that you are doing really well, you are speaking well, you are improving, your choice of words are nice. It will always improve you. So you will not feel that someone is criticizing me or laughing at me. You will feel motivated when you practice with ChatGPT. And I always, when I practice with ChatGPT, I always go one step further. What I do, for example, I learned a word, I learned a idiom that I'm not cut out for this. So now whenever I learn new word, idiom or anything, I don't get enough time to revise them. So when I got to know about ChatGPT, I use it to practice with it as well. Okay, let me show you. Hi GPT.
Hey, welcome back. I'm here and ready to help.
I
What would you like
have
to do or talk about today?
Yeah, I have learned a new idiom that I'm not cut out for this. So how can I use it in everyday conversation?
Ah, that's a really useful one. You can use it when something just doesn't feel right for you. For example, you could say, I tried taking a dance class, but honestly, I'm not cut out for this. Or I thought about joining the debate team, but I'm not cut out for that kind of pressure. Does
Okay,
that make
now
sense?
let me make two sentences. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Take your time.
I'm not cut out for waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning.
That's a great sentence. And do you have another one you'd like to try?
I'm
If so,
not
I'm
cut
ready to
out
listen and help.
for eating non-veg food always.
Perfect. Both sentences sound really natural. You use the expression really well. If you want, you can keep practicing by adding more details, but you're definitely on the right track.
Definitely, I will practice with you. But right now I'm recording a video. After recording this video, definitely I will again come to you to practice. And after that, I use it to know the correct pronunciation. Though we can use Google to know the exact pronunciation, but sometimes I face difficulty to understand, okay, the proper pronunciation. So I ask ChatGPT, suppose I'm giving a word, relevant. Okay, so I ask it that give me the pronunciation in Bengali. So you can also ask that give me the pronunciation in your mother tongue. So it will give you the pronunciation written. Okay, so that time it will help you to understand the proper pronunciation, and you can also pronounce the word properly. So you can practice with it about any topic, and you can revise your vocabulary with it. You can correct your pronunciation. And the thing that I do almost every day, I'm very much fond of reading stories. So I buy a lot of story books, I read from them, and I also read stories from ChatGPT. So if you think that you need some easy stories, so according to your need, you can tell it that ChatGPT, please give me some simple stories. Okay, give me some simple stories, easy stories to practice English. It will give you. Okay, you can read them loudly. Okay, and that's how you can practice. And so the four things I shared, and the number 5 that you can also do, these things you will get on Google as well, but it is available on ChatGPT as well, because I have used it. That's why I'm saying that picture narration is very good way of improving our fluency. So you can ask it that please give me some pictures to describe it. Okay, so it will give you some pictures with very vibrant pictures. You will enjoy describing them. So you will get stories, you will get pictures, you can correct your pronunciation, you can revise your vocabulary with it, and you can also practice English with ChatGPT. Yes, I hope that you have understood whatever I tried to shared with you. So this video is about ChatGPT. This is an AI tool. We can use it to practice English. If you think that you don't have a partner to practice English, ChatGPT is the best choice, and I would suggest that don't take it for granted. This is very bad habit of us, that when we don't have something, we say that I wish I had, if I had that opportunity I would do so and so. But when we have something for free, we can use it to improve and to build confidence. What we do, we take it for granted and we don't use it that much. So I would suggest that don't take it for granted. This feature is available for free, and I think that whatever we are getting nowadays by virtue of technology, we should use it to thrive in life. And this is very easy feature. You don't have to learn very difficult methods to use ChatGPT. So that's why I would suggest that practice with ChatGPT. And if you just practice speaking for 10 minutes, okay, so you, after 1 month, you will just see the improvement, okay, in your fluency. And I would suggest that while practicing with ChatGPT, or to practice ChatGPT, you don't have to sit at your study table, okay, just while doing any work you can talk. And I would say that this is the best way to practice it, because when you are doing some work, and while doing the work you are practicing with ChatGPT, and you are sharing the same thing with ChatGPT, it will also help you that to form sentences. Last night while heating up food, I was practicing with ChatGPT. Trust me, it helped me and it suggested me some new words. It taught me some new words and sentences, especially sentences. So I found that while doing any work, if you practice with ChatGPT and if you share that I'm doing this work right now and I am also practicing with you, it will understand, and according to your situation it will teach you some sentences. That time your English learning journey will be much easier and smoother, that I can say. And use this app and don't take it for granted. So practice English with ChatGPT every single day and improve your communication skills, because maybe one day you look back and realize that practicing with ChatGPT was one of the best decisions you made to improve your spoken English. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Seushi. And thank you for watching.